is for asphalt paver, laying road smooth, see you later.
B is for bulldozer, pushing dirt like a strong composer.
C is for cement mixer truck, round and round goes the churning muck.
D is for dump truck, load it up and off it jumps a cluck.
E is for excavator, big arm dig, see you later.
F is for forklift, lifting pallets quick and swift. G is for grader,
smooths the road like a magic skater.
H is for hydraulic crane,
lifting steel again and again.
I is for impact hammer, breaking rocks with a mighty clamor. J is for jackhammer truck,
breaking ground, rapid padlock.
K is for knuckle boom crane, folds like a finger, working again. L is for loader,
scooping up like a dirt exploder.
M is for mobile crane,
rolling in with lifting gain.
N is for narrow excavator, fits in spaces, no tool greater. O is for off-highway dump truck, big wheels roll with the thunderous clunk.
P is for paver machine, making roads nice and clean.
Q is for quarry dump truck, heavy loads with power and pluck. R is for road roller, flattens roads smooth as a stroller. S is for skid steer loader,
small but strong, a mighty motor.
T is for tower crane,
reaches high like an airplane.
U is for underground mining loader, digs below like a treasure coder. V is for vibratory roller, buzzes and rolls like a strong controller.
W is for wheel loader, lifting up boulders, bigger and bolder. X is for extreme duty dozer, built for jobs that need a closer.
Y is for yard truck, moves containers with steady luck. Z is for zill swing excavator, turns and digs, see you later.